Welcome to the Open edX How to Video series. This video is sponsored by Abstract Technology and presented by Stefania Trabucchi, CEO.
Leveraging libraries in Open edX. Why we use Open edX library? In Studio, you can create a library to build a pool of components for use in the randomized assignment in your courses. You can add text components, all problem types, and video components to a library. Remember that not only the open response assessment and discussion components are not supported in. To create a new library, log into the Studio, select the green button saying New Library. Form fields will appear in which you have to define the identifiers of your library, like library name. This is the public display name for your library. We recommend choosing a meaningful name to better identify the library. Set organization. This is the identifier for your university organization company. Library code. This is an identifier for your library that is unique within your organization. And this code becomes part of the URL for your library. So do not include space or special characters to this code. Enter the required information for your new library, then select Create. And once created, you can now add the components you want. What is next? Now that you successfully created your Open edX library, you can use it in your courses as a randomized content block. In the video, we will now explain you how to successfully do this. If you have enabled content library in your courses, you can use this library. Components in randomized assignment in your course. To enable content library in your course, navigate to the respective course and click on the drop-down menu on the top settings. When opening the drop-down, click on Advanced Settings, scroll down to Advanced Module List, Field, and add library content to the list. Hit Save and navigate back to the course outline. In the unit where you want to add a set of randomized problems, click on the green button Advance. A drop-down will open from which you have to choose Randomized Content Block. After the component is added, click on Edit to specify the details of the content you want to add in this block. Once it's ready, hit Save and test your library.